How to edit images on your site. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Squarespace editor. And then just choosing here the image that you wish to edit. I have in here this image. Let's edit it up by clicking on it and clicking onto this pencil icon. Now as you can see, we have in here this content. You can click onto this edit option right here. And then this will open in here this new tab. Just wait for this to successfully load. Once it's done loading, you can actually do a lot with this. You can change its brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, blur, as well as other options that you can utilize right here. So in my case, let me head over and then just increase its sharpness right there. And you can also choose to crop it. Like for example, let's do it like this. And then once you have done that, you can also choose to add filters if you want. We have in here a number of filters that you can choose from. So just head over and choose a filter. And after you have done that, you can head over and then save this image by clicking onto the save icon right here. Once you have saved this, the edit that you have made will be applied into the actual image that is presented to your Squarespace. So make sure to save the changes. And then as you can see, it will be saved right here. So you can just wait for that to upload and it will be added right there. So that's how you edit images on your site. Hope we help.